Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll see how to calculate median for a column using SQL. For this tutorial, we have an external table called employees, which has a column salary, for which we want to calculate the median salary. One of the ways is using percentile count function, and the syntax is like this. Percentile count 0.5 within group, order by salary over, and give an alias median. The result will create a column, so if we want to get single value we have to select this thing. If in case this percentile count is not there in the SQL functions for some databases, we can make use of Ntile function. Ntile is an window functions which we will demonstrate as below. If we select Ntile 4, it will get 100 percentile, 75 percentile, 50 percentile and 25 percentile groups, and from 50 percentile group we will select the maximum salary, which will be the median. And give some alias, and here in for the select also we'll have this maximum salary and give the alias for the internal view, and we will select quartile 2, and here we go. So here are two ways to calculate median. One is percentile count, another is using Ntile. If percentile count is not there in the SQL functions, then we can make use of Ntile window function to calculate the median.